10 Best 6.7 Cummins Tuner with Deletes 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Ram Cummins Common Rail Injector Tube Removal Tool. Tackling common rail injector tube removal on your Cummins can be a headache, often risking damage to delicate components. Our specialized injector tube removal tool is engineered to make the job simple and secure. Crafted from high-quality, black-coated carbon steel, it boasts exceptional durability and corrosion resistance, ready for years of reliable service in your shop. Designed as a direct replacement for part #933-3401, this essential tool offers broad compatibility across 2003 to 2018 Dodge Ram 5.9L and 6.7L Cummins engines. It expertly extracts injector tubes without damaging the crucial cups, requiring no special skills. Get the job done right, effortlessly, and protect your engine components with this indispensable tool. Number 9. Ram 6.7L Cummins Fuel and Oil Filter Kit. Your Ram 6.7L Cummins deserves nothing less than the best protection. Introducing our premium fuel and oil filter kit, engineered to keep your powerhouse running flawlessly. We've sourced original Italy Alstrom 3-layer filter paper, a synthetic fiber marvel that captures 99% of water and contaminants down to an impressive 4 microns, significantly outperforming standard filters. This advanced filtration ensures a steady flow of clean, dry diesel, maximizing engine efficiency and performance while minimizing wear. You'll experience increased reliability and an extended lifespan of 20,000 to 40,000 miles between changes. Specifically designed for 2019 to 2024 Ram 2500 to 5500 models, this comprehensive kit even includes safety gloves for hassle-free installation. Invest in the longevity and peak performance of your diesel beast. Number 8. 2008 to 2022 Dodge Ram 6.7L Cummins CCV Filter. Is your 6.7L Cummins not running as smoothly as it should? Keep your powerhouse Dodge Ram 2500 to 5500, 2007.5 to 2023, breathing clean with our premium CCV filter. Designed as a direct fit replacement, it seamlessly matches OE standards, like CV5-2001, using high-quality materials for exceptional durability and OEM-level filtration. Forget complex installations. This is a hassle-free upgrade. By drastically reducing oil consumption, preventing premature engine wear, and eliminating damaging oil mist buildup, you're ensuring optimal performance and longevity for your valuable Cummins engine. Simply replace it every 67,500 miles or at the first clogged filter alert and feel the difference. Invest in the long-term health of your engine today. Number 7. Amazon's Best Overall Pick. Amazon's best overall pick for a reason. If you own a Ram 6.7L Cummins, 2007.5 to 2025, you know protecting your engine is paramount. Doc's diesel CCV filters are precisely engineered to be your engine's best defense. They diligently trap harmful vapors and blow-by gases, preventing sludge buildup and oil breakdown. The result? Cleaner oil, significantly fewer repairs, and drastically lower maintenance costs over your engine's lifetime. You'll enjoy a longer-lasting, better-performing rig. Doc's isn't just another filter. We're the new standard for quality, exceeding OEM standards to deliver superior durability and absolute peace of mind. Choose Doc's and keep your diesel running strong. Number 6. 6.7L Cummins Ram CCV Filter 2008 to 2024. Is your 6.7L Cummins Ram showing signs of fatigue, perhaps increased fuel consumption, a mysterious engine light, or that telltale excessive exhaust smoke? It's likely time for a CCV filter replacement. Our premium crankcase ventilation filter is engineered to bring your truck back to its prime, perfectly replacing OEM parts like 493, 6636, or 68002, 433AA. Crafted from reinforced, high-quality materials with advanced filtration technology, this filter boasts exceptional oil, temperature, and corrosion resistance. It actively prevents harmful oil mist buildup, ensuring your engine runs cleaner, more efficiently, and at optimal performance. Installation is straightforward. A precise OE fit means no special tools, just a simple process to restore the legendary power and longevity of your Cummins engine. Number 5. 2008 to 2021 6.7 Cummins Ram CCV Filter. Give your 2008 to 2021 6.7L Cummins Ram the superior protection it deserves. Our CCV filter is meticulously engineered for a perfect OEM fit on your 2500 to 5500. Replaces CV52001 68002 433AA/AB, guaranteeing seamless integration and reliable performance. Experience advanced filtration technology that effectively captures harmful contaminants and prevents oil mist, keeping your engine pristine and running at peak efficiency. Installation is a breeze, truly DIY-friendly, requiring no special tools, saving you time and money. More than just a replacement, it actively improves your engine's ventilation system, ensuring stable power output and even optimizing fuel economy. Invest in this essential upgrade for uncompromised engine health and lasting power. Number 4. 2020 to 2024 Ram 6.7L Cummins OEM Filter Kit. Your 2020 to 2024 Ram 6.7L Cummins is a formidable machine, and it deserves nothing but the best. Our OEM Filter Kit delivers precisely that factory-spec filtration designed to keep your engine performing at its peak. As a Ram expert, I can tell you that using genuine OEM parts is paramount for maintaining engine health, longevity, and your truck's legendary reliability. This kit provides the exact fit and superior protection your powertrain demands, ensuring optimal fuel and oil cleanliness. Tailored specifically for 2020 to 2024 Ram 2500, 3500, 4500, and 5500 models. This is the smart investment for your truck. Heads up, it's exclusively for these newer models and won't fit 2013 to 2019 trucks. Protect your investment the right way. Number 3. Ram 6.7L Cummins Turbo Speed Sensor. Is your 6.7L Cummins Turbo feeling sluggish or showing error codes? Our Ram 6.7L Cummins Turbo Speed Sensor is your ultimate solution for peak performance. Specifically designed for 2013 to 2018 Dodge Ram 2500 to 5500 trucks and compatible Cummins wholeset ISB/ISC/ISL/ISX engines. This sensor ensures a perfect, direct fit replacement for numerous OEM part numbers. Crafted with a high-strength alloy shell and a wear-resistant coating, it's built to bravely withstand extreme temperatures and electromagnetic interference, guaranteeing lasting reliability. Advanced magnetic induction technology precisely monitors turbo speed, protecting against costly overspeed damage while significantly boosting engine combustion efficiency and power response. Installation is a breeze, truly plug-and-play with no modifications needed, saving you time and effort. Get back to optimal performance with confidence. Number 2. Ram 6.7L Cummins Fuel Control Actuator, FCA. Is your Ram 6.7L Cummins struggling with an inconsistent idle or sluggish power delivery? It might be time to address your fuel control actuator. Our direct replacement FCA is engineered to seamlessly replace your failing OE Unit 0928400642 for 936097 526 4247 680270222 AC. Perfectly fitting 2007 to 2012 Ram 2500/3500/4500 diesels. This high-performance fuel pressure regulator precisely maintains your fuel supply against boost, ensuring the ideal fuel-to-air ratio for optimal combustion. Say goodbye to varying idle and hello to restored engine responsiveness and smooth, reliable power. While professional installation is recommended, many find this a straightforward swap, saving you valuable time and money. Get your Ram running flawlessly again. Number 1. 2013 to 2018 Ram 6.7L Diesel Turbocharger Kit. Ram 6.7L owners, ever wish your truck felt as powerful as the day you drove it off the lot? Or perhaps even more? Our turbocharger kit for 2013 to 2018 Ram 2500/3500 6.7L diesel is engineered to revitalize your ride. Crafted from high-strength alloy and backed by over 20 years of manufacturing expertise, this isn't just a replacement. It's a significant upgrade. You'll experience more stable power and robust, confident acceleration, turning every drive into a powerful journey. Designed to OEM standards, it's a direct, seamless replacement for models requiring DF, especially important for 2013 trucks. Say goodbye to complexity and hello to effortless power. Trust in professional quality to unleash your Ram's true potential. So, that sums up my 10 best 6.7 Cummins tuner with deletes. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great